Hello dear students, I am Yogesh Kumar Deshmukh, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department of Bharati College of Engineering Technology, Durg. Okay. Today in power plant engineering, we are going to learn about gas power plant. It is a kind of power plant which having low capacity, or when there is a requirement of less output, then we are going to install this gas power plant, because as it consumes less area and also it requires a less manpower to be operated. Okay. Gas power plants, the prime movers is same, turbines, and the working medium is permanent gas. The prime mover is turbine, prime mover is turbine, and working medium is permanent gas. How gas power plant works? The gas power plant works with a compressed air system. In that, air is highly compressed and mixed with the fuel, so that the fuel get burned, and the flue gases, with these hot flue gases, we run the turbine or spin the turbine blades. Okay. Why it's need to compress the air? As we compress the air volume decreases. Also its randomness increases, and also its pressure increases. With this randomness, it will helpful in combustion of the fuel, gaseous fuel. Okay. After combustion, having it also the randomness continues, and that randomness increases the pressure of the flue gas or hot gas. That hot gas moves the turbine blades, and the work done will be continued by turbine. Okay. Let's see the diagram how normal simple power plant, gas power plant operates. This is the normal gas working of a gas power plant. Okay. Here the compressor is installed, and this portion is done by turbine. And at this portion, the combustion works goes on. Here fuel goes inside it, and here the compressed gas this is exhaust, and this is the turbine work. The dotted light show the turbine work, and this is the compressor where compressed air is created, and This is combustor where the combustion takes place. Combustion chamber. Here the hot flue gases goes, and here its output for turbine. Okay, and this is power gas. Here the compressed air is going in. Compressed air is going inside it. Okay, and from here air is entering. Air enters over the compressor. After getting compressed, it moves to the combustion chamber where the fuel is coming inside. In that, the compressed air mixed up, and as the temperature of compressed air is high and also its pressure is high, the combustion will go rapidly with a high pressure, and these flue gases will come over here, work done in the turbine, and then exhaust gases will leave out, and the output of the turbine will go for the generator to generate electricity. Okay. The gas power plant has three main components. The three main parts are or components are: first, the compressor; second, the combustion chamber; and third, the turbine. And third is turbine. This is the main components of gas power plant. Okay. What is the work of air compressor? To compress the air. It is mounted on the same shaft of the turbine because it also gas turbines are not self-starting. Gas turbines are not self-starting, so compressor is used to start the shaft. Hence, the compressor is connected in the same shaft of the turbine. Okay. What is the work of the air compressor? To compress the air at required quantity, and also after compressor the air temperature increases, the pressure increases, and the velocity randomness of the molecule also increases. This enhances the combustion in the combustion chamber. Okay. What happens in the combustion chamber? In combustion chamber, the air and the air-filled mixture get combust. Okay. After combustion, the flue gases or the hot gases having greater pressure moved over to the turbine. Okay. Nowadays, in fuels, we use liquid fuels in gas power plant because the gas power plant is a low capacity power plant. So, for getting easily combustible or easily combustion, we use fuel as liquid fuel, in which we use a liquid gun. Okay, which sprays the liquid fuel so that it will become into particles and easily get combustible after mixing the hot air gases coming from the compressed air. Okay. Turbine. Turbine is the main mover. Hot gases moves the turbine blades and also converts the kinetic energy of the flue gases into mechanical energy, and then mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy with the help of generator installed over in the same shaft of the turbine and compressor. Okay. Now, classification of gas power plant. There are two types of classification of gas power plant. One is closed cycle and another is open cycle. One is open cycle and another is closed cycle. Closed cycle power plant. We will learn it by solving the diagram. Okay. First, we will draw open cycle power plant. Open cycle. Open cycle gas turbine power plant. In that, we have a starting motor. This motor is connected to low pressure turbine, which is coupled with high pressure turbine. High pressure compressor, which is coupled to high pressure turbine, and this is coupled to low pressure turbine, which is coupled to generator. Okay, this is low pressure compressor, this is high pressure compressor, this is high pressure turbine, this is low pressure turbine. Here air flows in, okay, and this is starting mover. Here we have provided with intercooler. Intercooler is provided, and here we have supply of cooling water. Okay, this high pressure air is come to a chamber. Here it is heat exchanger. Where the combustion takes place, and here it is combustion chamber. After combustible, it enters to the high pressure turbine. Then after leaving the high pressure turbine, the gas again goes to combustion chamber, and then here it is injected to low pressure turbine. Okay, here there is a fuel injector inside. Now after the generator work, after moving the generator, it again leads out and enters to the heat exchanger. Then after heat exchanger, it leads out to the chimney to exhaust. This is the open gas cycle of power plant. Now we will learn about how the closed gas cycle power plant works. This is compressor and this is turbine. Okay. Here there is a heat exchanger. After compressed air enters to the heat exchanger, after combustion comes to the turbine. Okay, and then after that turbine it leaves off and enters to the power turbine, from where the power is being generated. This is power shaft, and this is power turbine. Then this again leaves and enters to the heat exchanger. This is combustion chamber. Enters to the heat exchanger. Heat exchanges the heat, and then again it enters to the compressor. This is the closed cycle. What is the difference in open and closed cycle? In open cycle, after utilizing all the heat of the flue gases, it going to the exhaust and leads to the chimney. But in closed cycle, again that flue gas is again that after taking heat of that, we again that move to the compressor, the hot air. Okay, this is the basic difference in hot and open and closed cycle of gas power plant. These are the basic two types of gas power plant working over here. Okay, thank you.